Good morning, children. After having knowledge about teacher student's life or relationship, you know the importance of teacher in a student's life, how important she is. If I tell you, then I can tell that whenever I think most of you all have went to restaurant for having your lunch, dinner, and what do you order at the end of the your meal? That's dessert. Now, whenever you order a dessert, it is sweet in taste. And what makes the dessert sweet? The sugar. Okay, so basically, sugar is the real essence of the dessert, isn't it? And similarly, teachers are also real essence of a student's life. As a dessert is incomplete without sugar, similarly, student's life is incomplete without teacher. So, after knowing about student teachers relationship, let's see a story which is between a student and a teacher, which titles Caring Student. Okay, now let's meet the characters. Hello, 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 hello. We are students of grade 7A. Oh, sorry, I was busy with thinking about my story that is really important for my life, and I'm very touched with that story. I'll tell you about that. But before that, hello, I am Mr. Brown, the English teacher. And hello, children, I'm your narrator. Okay. Hello, I'm Mr. Brown. I told you I'll tell a story of my life, which is very close to my heart. That's a story between me and my loving, caring, my dearest students. I'll share my story. Let's see. Uh, oh, I am not well, as my heart has problem while functioning. Oh, I'm really falling ill. Hello, we are your students. Wanted to meet you. We bought bouquet for you. So what happened to you? We really miss you, sir. We miss you. Oh, sir, how are you? We really miss you, sir. Really miss you. Okay, my children. I know you love me. You are worried about me. But, my children, how you all are? Don't be sad. I can't see dullness on your face. I am not well, children, as my heart is not functioning properly. Sir, then have the operation and get well. I can't, dear, have operation, as I am a poor teacher. I don't have enough money for doing this. Okay, children, so have you seen that Mr. Brown is not well? He's admitted in hospital because his heart is not functioning well. And the children, the students of Mr. Brown, are there in the hospital to meet him with a bouquet in his hand, and they are worried. So they had a communication that Mr. Brown told them that he could not move or come to school because his heart is not working properly. He is ill and he need an operation. But children, he cannot operate because he is a poor teacher. He is not having enough money for this operation. Now let's see what happens with Mr. Brown. Now, after coming back from the hospital, the children had a discussion. Let's see what that. Friends, we need to do something for our teacher. We can't sit and quietly and leave him in such condition. Yes, we need to think something. Yeah, we need to. Yeah. Yes. What? But what? Yeah, but what? Oh no, I need to think something. What? Idea. Hey, what idea? Tell. Let me confront. I'll tell you all. Okay. Let us organize a play, and people who wants to see the play will have to purchase the ticket of 25 rupees. This way we can collect money for our teacher. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, yeah, really good. Yeah, yeah, good idea. Wow, very nice. Yeah, yeah. Okay, children, now have you seen that everyone came out of the hospital with a dull face, sad because they are worried about the teacher. They love the teacher and they want to really help the teacher. So they made a plan of having a play where the people have to pay the ticket of rupees 25, so that with that money they can help the teacher. So they planned of having a play where the people will come and see the movie, and they this way they can collect the money. Now let's see what happens. Now students, they after the planning, they now wanted to execute the plans. So what they did, they started staying back for the practice, and for the success of the play they had taken help from music teacher. And as you all know, children, that Mr. Brown was a very good and humble person. He was a good humble person, loving person. He had a very good reputation in his society. He was the loved one among the family, among the school, among the children, among the teachers. He was a very good person. So desperately everyone was ready to help Mr. Brown, whether it is the school staff, teaching staff, not everyone was ready to give this service in all the way they can help. So this was the reason the music teacher was suddenly he was ready. Yes, I'm there going to help Mr. Brown. And as children were doing something for the good cause, isn't it? They're helping the teacher who is not able to help himself. That's really very good cause, isn't it, children? So even the principal and the other teachers supported them. They were helping them with the play, skit and everything. Okay. And after the practice, lots of effort, practice, finally the big day arrived. Now let's see what happened. So they had the play, they played the play, and the people really loved it. And they said, oh, so thank you everyone for the play. Oh my god, they are giving standing ovation. They are so happy. Yeah, people loved it. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh, it was so good play. Yeah, very hilarious. We love the play. We are successful to collect the amount needed for operation. Yay! Hooray! Hooray! Wow! We are now ready to help our teacher. This way we can save our teacher. So children, have you seen, the play was very successful and they were ready to help the teacher, and the teacher also got a help because the people, because of the teacher, staff and everything was possible. How? Because of the effort taken by the students, the love they have for the teacher, the respect they have for the teacher. This made them do the play, and it was a successful play. And like the show was successful, similarly the operation was also very successful, and Mr. Brown was saved. And you know children, what happened when they went in the hospital to meet Mr. Brown at the end? Do you want to know the climax? He very happy because the news of success of this play was there in the newspaper. And you know, when Mr. Brown thanked the children, his eyes were full of tears and it rolled down the cheek when he was telling thank you. He was really so loved, so touched by this act of the students that it made him cry. So have you seen the love the children and the respect the children have for their teachers? This is what a student should have, a feeling and respect and love for the teacher. So children, what is the moral we have learned? That your parents give you life, isn't it? But teacher teaches you to live. She shows the way to live. So children, you should always respect your teacher and love your teacher. Thank you for this patiently enjoying the story. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.